I think yun ang subject ng deliberation sa Monday, no? Because I heard the palace spokesperson say that it might be premature to ask the president, no, permission of the president, because kung pumayag naman ang senator judges, because of the persuasive arguments ng aming public prosecutors, si Congressman Shell Jokno, that this impeachment case is always an exception to the bank secrecy laws, no? At itong dalawang subpoena, request for bank records, saka yung opening of the BIR boxes, these are important pieces of evidence sa impeachment court. So, for the appreciation of the impeachment judges, senator judges, baka naman mag-ruling sila na in the interest, kasi hindi naman po strict compliance sa rules of court, no? Ang rules of court is subject yan to strict rules, pero dito suppletory effect lang, no? So we are hopeful that the arguments and after the clarificatory or probing questions ng senator judges is payagan na yung subpoena, yung issuance subpoena na yan, no? At hindi na kailangan i-involve ang executive because I am assuming that the executive has better things to do, lalong-lalo na approaching ang State of the Nation address, no? Which I think deserves higher priority than whether to open a BIR box or not, no?